Oh, Thunder Chicken.
Been pulling for 11 years. Pulling all over the state. Runs left with the Wolverine pullers, from some NPPA pullers. Tractor that's been up and down the Chelsea track for probably a half a dozen years plus. Out of Weberville, Michigan. Very, very popular tractor back in the day.